Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8. I myself, Revti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, today I shall discuss with you to find the square root of decimal number. Exercise 3F of chapter 3, a squares and a square root. To find a square root of decimal number. So one question, write on your board question number 4. So question number 4, find the square root of 75.69. 75.69 is a decimal number. So write it between two vertical lines. 75.69. After decimal, make a pair in decimal number. Decimal places, or decimal parts, make a pair from left to right. This. And after decimal, whole number part, make a pair from right to left. This time. So I have 75. 6 6 is 36, 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 81. So 8 8 is 8 times. 8 8 is 64. Write it. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. After decimal digit, come here 6 9. So in quotient, take decimal. Now 1 1 6 9. So 7 times. 8 8 added 16. Now check here 167 multiplied by 7. 7 7 is 49 of 9. 42 plus 4, 46, 1 7 is 7, 4, 11. So now it is 7 times. Divisible by 7 times. So write here 1 1 6 9. 9 9 cancel, 6 6 cancel, 1 1 cancel, 1 1 cancel. 7 7, 7 plus 7, 14 of 4, 6 plus 1 7, 174. Therefore, the square root of 75.69 equal to 8.7 answer. Write it and next question. Next question, write on your board question number 9. Evaluate root 3 up to 2 digits. So write 3 between two vertical lines and take decimal point. Make a pair, even number of zeros this time. 1 1 is 2, 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4. So 1 time. 1 1 is 1. 3 minus 1, 2. After decimal digits come here. So in quotient take decimal. 200. 112. So 2, so 7 times. 7 times. 189. So 7 times. Now 189. Subtract it. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. And it is cancelled. Now comes pair of zeros. Add it. 7, 7, 14. 4, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Now 34. So check it 3 times. 3 3 are 9. 4 3 are 12. Carry 1. 3 3 are 9. 1 10. So 3 times. 3 times 1029. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. And it can see. So therefore, the value of root 3 is 2 decimal place 1.73 answer. Write also this question. Now next question number. Question number 11. Similarly, evaluate 0.9. So 0.9. Question number 11. Evaluate 0.9. Right between. Make a pair. Left to right. 2 decimal place up to 2 decimal place. So first of all, 0 time. Here 0. Cancel. After decimal digits come here, so put the decimal in quotient. 90. 9 9 ja 81. So 9 9 ja 81. 10 minus 1, 9. Cancel it. Comes double 0. 18. So 4 times. Check it. 4 times. 5 4 is 16. 18 4 is 72. Plus 1. 73. 4 times. 4 4 8. 8 1. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. And 8 minus 7, 1. So, therefore, 0.9 equal to 0.94 answer. Write this question. My dear students, now I shall discuss with you to find a square root of fraction. So, first of all, some important notes known. One is under root a by b equal to root a by root b. Similarly, under root a by under root b equal to under root a by b. And second note is under root a into under root b equal to under root ab. Now under root ab equal to root a into root b. Under root a by b equal to root a by root b. Same. Under root a by root b equal to under root a by b. Next, root a into root b equal to under root a into b. Similarly, under root a into b equal to root a into root b. With the help of this note, I solved some questions. Exercise 3G of chapter 3. First of all, solve question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is under root 625 by 729. Dear student, 625 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now 729 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now 5 into 5, 5 square, and 5 into 5, 5 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. 3 into 3, 3 square, and 3 into 3, 3 square. One pair, second pair, and third pair. Also one pair and second pair. Now the square root of 5 square is 5, and the square root of 5 square is also 5. 3 square, a square root of 3 square, 3, into a square root of 3 square, 3, a square root of 3 square, 3, equal to 25. 5 into 5, 25, 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Answer. Write it. Question number 4. Solve it by prime factorization method. Also, you can solve it long division method also. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is under root 80 by under root 405. So change is into 80 by 405. Cancel it 5 times, 16. 16 5 is 80, and 5 times 5 8 is 40, 5 1 is. Now it's 16 by 81. So 16 is the square of 4 square, and 81 is the square of 9 square. So a square root of 4 square, 4, and the square root of 9 square, 9. 4 by 9 will be the answer of this question. Write it. And last question is question number 10. So question number 10 is 98 into root 98 into under root 162 equal to under root 98 into 162. So find prime factor of 98. 2 times 98, 2 4 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 1 8, 2 9 ja, 7 7 ja. So 98 factors of 98 is 2 into 7 into 7. Now find prime factor of 2 times 162 also. 2 8 ja, 2 1 ja. 3 times 27 3 ja. Also 3 times 9 3 ja. Now 3 times 3 9 ja. So prime factors of 162 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 7 pair, 7 into 7, 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. 2 is also in pair. So write it 2 into 2, 2 square, 7 into 7 into 7 square into 3 into 3, 3 square into 3 into 3, 3 square also. Now the square root of 2 square is 2, the square root of 7 square is 7, the square root of 3 square is 3 and the square root of 3 square is 3. So multiply it, 2 7s are 14 and 14 9s are 126. Answer.